Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Engineering. I hope you will be fine this time to talk about what is a revenge. BTS announces their full album with Korean folk on X, sells out in 1 minutes. BTS will drop a new album named Ring on 20 March 2026 at 1 p.m. KST, marking their official comeback after their military break. Written by Yoshi Kruval, journalist, published on 16 June 2026. BTS Army, it's time to rejoice. The South Korean septet has finally confirmed the release of their new album, announced a world tour, and now revealed the album name with a connection to their own culture. RM Jane, Shuka, Chehop, Jamin B, and Jungkook are leaving no stones unturned for their fifth full-length album, Everything. Hours after announcing the release plans, the record was available for pre-order ahead of its March 20 release, selling out within minutes of being launched in true fan army behavior. What is Arirang? As per Forbes, Arirang refers to a traditional Korean folk song with thousands of variations with over 6 decades of history behind it. Many call it the unofficial national anthem of the country and a shared cultural aspect between South and North Korea. The name itself can be broken down into Ari and Rang. The former standing for love and the latter for groom, loosely translated to being my beloved one. Its significance also lies in the very name of the country, Hankook or Hankook, where Han is the feeling of longing and deep felt sorrow, as well as the resilience and hope that have long defined the nation's outlook. The song itself speaks of love, devotion, grief, separation, and perseverance, as many generation actors further sang of it. The logo for the album showcased further connection to their country, with these circles being symbolic of the Kyun, heaven, and prison symbols on the national flag, denoting the messages of strong staying together and strong protecting the weak. BTS connection with Arirang stems from a past performance of the track back in 2016. The seven members stepped on the KCON last stage to present the song to their fans, accompanied by light movements. They performed it on 30 July 2016, and almost 10 years later, it has come back to meet the fans in the most welcoming way. Now, as their album name BTS Arirang, the team wishes to encompass their identity and the emotions they want to share with their music fans. I come back after 3 years and 9 months. It expresses the sentiments felt by the stars during their time away. Soon after the announcement, the 14-track release was made available to pre-order and pre-save for global fans. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice time. Goodbye.